Okay. Exercise 6.3, question number 1, 2, 3, 4. Work out fast. Yeah, I started recording. Okay. Okay, getting now? First question getting or not? Okay, check the answer matching or not. Okay, first question. Look at here. First question I'll show here. Listen. Oh, what happened? Okay. First question. Look at here. In figure 6.39. Look. The first question. P Q R 110. This one is 135. Okay. Very sex. Find I. Okay, 135. Okay, then we have to find out angle PRQ. PR. This angle we have to find out. Okay, simple. This how much? 70. This how much? 130, 180, 180 minus 180. Okay, or not required this one. This plus this one only 135. 70 plus R equal to 135. How much R? How much you got R? 65, right? You check the answer back. Check the answer matching or not. At least check the answer. Yeah, exterior angle theorem. You can use the exterior angle theorem. Okay. Did you check the answer? No, matching or not? Yeah, you can do another method. You find this angle, and angle sum property also. You can use that. Okay. You can hear me now, right? Why bandwidth problem? Yeah. Okay. Okay. So, sir, try now second question. Those who finish, try second question. You can try second question now. Okay. You can try second question. The first question answer is first question. Okay. No, here nothing to do. Only in the figure only there. No. Here no need to write there. Yeah, any other way? Yes, other way also, because this angle you can find out linear pair. This we can find out linear pair. Then this one angle sum property. That also we can find out. Okay. Yeah, no problem. You got the answer, no, right? Okay, then try second question. Now, second question, try. Okay, try now. First you try. I'll show you that after that. Okay. First question answer is what? First question answer is not 55, 65. Sad. First question answer is 65, not 55. Okay, so okay, diagram is already there now, right? Diagram already there. So what is the problem? The second question diagram is, look at here. Look, second question. In figure X, Y, Z. X is 62. This is 62. Then angle X, Y, Z 54. X, Y, Z. This full is 54. YO and ZO. YO and ZO are the bisectors of X, Y, Z and X, Z, Y. Okay. Find angle OZY and O. Find angle YOZ. This angle and this angle we have to find out. This is the question. Okay. Question clear now? Okay. Question clear or not? The question is in figure. Listen. In figure, angle X 62, Y equal 54. Then we have to find out Y is that O is that Y and Y O is that. Okay. Try now. I'll give a hint. Okay, I'll wait. Okay. You don't want the hint, right? No? Okay. Okay, just wait, Saad. First of all, you can find out that Z angle, big angle. X already there, Y already there. You find out this angle. And this half here, this half here. So finish the first part. Then the charted triangle, Y, O, Z. This plus this one plus this one, 180. You can try now. Try now. Okay. No, don't. Ayush, listen here. Wait altogether. Okay. This question now. Look at here. Second question. Look at here. This one 62. This is 54. You can find out this one. Angle Z equal to big Z angle. If you want, right? X Z Y equal to 180 minus 62 plus 54. How much is that? 64. This is now 64. Then OY is Z. This is 27. This is 32. After that, in triangle YO is Z. 27, 32 plus this one is 180. You can find out YO is Z. Okay, try now. This is a simple case. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I know. Just a revision part. Okay. Then those who finish, try question number 3. Question number 3. The answer is 32, and this one you can 121, right? 32 and 121. 32 and 121. Sad, okay or not? Okay. So next week, next Thursday test based on Saturday and 3 classes test. 3 classes. Okay. The new guy, hello, new guys. Every Thursday at 9 o'clock we have a test. Okay. Okay. Now question number 3. Try question number 3. Those who finish, Saad, understood or not? No, 9 p.m. 9 p.m. Okay. Okay. The coordinator will inform you. Okay. Why? Which question, Ramsha? Y or Z? Y or Z? Okay. This question, right? Y or Z? 27 here, 32 here. In triangle. Come on. Why you ask such a question? Y or Z? 27 plus Y or Z plus 32 is 180 degree. Angles of property of a triangle. Right? Okay. Now you are trying now. Third one, right? Okay. Okay, try now. After that, I'll show you. Okay. No. Okay, finish. Okay. So finish. Okay, let us see the question. Okay. Okay, look at here now. Question number 3. Hello, listen here. Question number 3. A, B, A, B, E, D, C. Okay, this is 35. AB parallel to DE. This is parallel to here. Okay, BAC, BAC 35. Okay, CDE, CDE 53. Okay, we have to find out angle CDE. CD, we have to find out what? DCE. This angle we have to find out. Okay, simple. Look at here. This is 35. This is also the 35. Alternate angles. So in triangle DCE, 53 plus 35 plus C, how much? It is 92. This will be 92. We all got. That is 92. Okay. Finish all now? Everybody got, right? Okay. Now, next one. Fourth one. We have the figure for you. Fourth one. Fourth one, do you have the picture or not? Okay, I'll send you. Okay. Okay, fourth one. Check fourth one now. No, fourth one. Why going to fifth one? Start fourth one. I send you the. I send. Okay, I send the picture. Send it. Check it now. In figure PQ. Okay, you try. No, don't start. Fourth one, finish it. Then start fifth one. Don't jump. Okay. Just wait. Just wait. Don't jump, man. Okay. Just go one by one. Everyone doing now fourth one. Okay. Okay, finish. Fourth one finish or not? Fourth one you will get 60 degree. Okay, okay, I'll wait. Okay, okay, I'll wait. Others. Answer what? 60 degree. Yes, fourth one 60 degree. I hope everybody got right. Fourth one. I hope everybody got. Anyone have a doubt? Fourth one. Fourth one. Anyone have doubt? Okay, still finished. Fourth one. Look at here now. Look. Fourth one doubt means you not learn anything in this chapter. Look at here. Look at here. Okay. Okay. P R Q T S. Okay. 95. This one 40. Okay. How much this angle? Angle PTR equal to 180 minus 95 plus 40. How much that? 95, 95 minus 95 minus. Okay, how much that? 45. This is 45. Okay, this is now 45. So this also 45. Okay. Then this angle given 75. So now we can find out, right? Again, 180 minus 75 plus 45. How much that? 60. Okay. I don't know how not getting still this type of small questions. Some guys asking me, okay, to show this one under why. We are going to finish the chapter, still not finish the, just check angle sum property of a triangle, okay, vertically opposite angles and okay. Okay, now you can try, I don't know, drawing figure long time. What are you doing here? Drawing a eye or a ear? Drawing figure is taking long time. What you are drawing? Are you making a eye picture? Just draw with the scale. Okay. Okay. Try now. Question number 5. Question number 5. You try. Okay. Draw neat figure. You take your own time. No problem. Take your time. Okay. Draw neat figure and try. Okay. Now, wait. Sixth one, don't try now. Sixth one, I'll show you. Okay. Sixth one, not easy one. Okay. Okay. Try fifth one getting or not. Okay. I'll wait. Okay. Try, man. Whether easy or not. Okay. Try. Okay. Fifth one. Let me see the figure. Okay. Okay. Listen here. Fifth one. Here. Look. P. Just draw. Okay. It's not a difficult figure. Okay. Here. P. Q. Then R. S. Okay. This angle 90°. Then one line here. This is X. Here 28. This is Y. Okay. This angle 65. Okay. Given is this line parallel here. Okay. Therefore, angle PQR equal to angle QRT. This angle T. Correct or not? This angle, listen, this angle equal to this much. Why? Alternate angles. So X plus 28 equal to 65. So X equal to 65 minus 28. How much? Equal to 37. Okay. Now, this is 37, 90. Why you can find out? Do that one. Okay. It's very simple. Okay. How much? 53, right? Yes, 53. This full equal to this one. X plus 28 equals 65. You will got X. Then X plus Y. Okay. Okay, now finished. Now, sixth one. Yeah, okay, no problem. Sixth one, don't try. I'll show this one. Okay. Sixth one, not an easy question. Okay. We just sixth one, write the question. Okay. Draw the figure and leave it. After that, I'll show you. Okay. Fifth one, just draw the figure. Then write given. And what you have to prove. After that, I'll show you. Okay. Okay, so now look at here now. I'm good. Hey, listen all. Close all other works. Okay. Look at here. I'll show the sixth one. Look at here now. Look. Don't try now. Listen all. Don't comment now. Let me finish this one. Okay. We have many methods. There is one other method I'll show you. Okay. P, Q, R, S here. Okay. This is the bisector. This is the bisector. Okay. This is exam point is important question. Okay. Look at here. The question is, look. Hey, don't write now. Don't write. The question is the side QR. Look. The side QR of triangle. Side QR of triangle PQR produce the point S. Okay. The bisector of angle PQR and PRS intersect at T. Prove that angle QTR, this angle equal to half of this one. That is the question. Yes, the star question. Okay. Question understood or not? Hey, listen. Just listen. QT is the bisector of angle PQR. RT the bisector of angle PRS. Therefore, T equal to half of P. That's the question. Okay. Question you got or not? Hello. Okay. Now look at here. Listen. We need only one theorem here. Exterior angle theorem. That means what? Exterior angle is equal to sum of the interior opposite angles. Okay. Now look at here. I'll give the note. Don't write anything. I'll give the note. We call this is X. This is also X. This is Y. This is Y. Okay. Now we know that PRS, angle PRS equal to angle P plus angle PQR. Correct or not? This angle equal to this plus this one. Why? Exterior angle theorem. Correct or not? PRS is an exterior angle equal to angle P plus angle. Here I can write P. There is no issue because only one angle. Don't write Q only because can be here or this one or full. That means PQR. Okay. PRS 2Y equal to angle P plus PQR 2X. Call it number one. Then in triangle, now listen here. In triangle QTR, this one QTR, this angle, again angle TRS equal to angle, this angle. Look at here, two line here. Here also two line. Okay. Angle T plus angle TQR. TQR. Again, exterior angle theorem. Here you are right, exterior angle theorem. Okay. TRS. TRS Y. T. Angle T. Keep it there. TQR. TQR X. Are you okay this one? Up to here, okay? Check up to here. Once again, look at here. This is one of the easiest method. Look at here. Who said opposite angle? Some of the opposite, some of the, okay, look at here. First, PRS. Listen, don't write anything, I'll give the note. In triangle PQR, PRS is the exterior angle. Look at the figure. PRS equal to angle P plus angle PQR. Exterior angle theorem. Okay. That is 2Y equal to P plus 2X, number one. Then in triangle QTR, TRS is the exterior angle theorem. TRS is the exterior angle. TRS equal to T plus TQR. So Y equal to t plus x. Okay, now look at here. Here 2y, here only 1y. What we'll do? Multiply that with the 2. 2y equal to 2t plus 2x, number 2. Okay. Here 2y, here 2y. We can make it equal. How? Angle P plus 2x equal to angle P plus 2x equal to 2t plus 2x. 2x cancel. Finish. Angle P equal to 2 times of t. So t equal to P by 2. Finish. Over. Are you okay? Is it okay or not? This is another shortest method. Okay. Clear now? What is saying linear equation, two variables and all? That is, where is the two variables here? Come on. That is another chapter, man. Solving all linear equation. Okay. Why? Ayush. Okay. Okay. I'll give the note now. After that, we can check it. Okay. Listen here. Right. You draw the figure, right? First, you write. Proof, right? You write. Okay. In triangle. Okay. Right. RT the bisector of right. Right. Exact. After that, we can check the note. Okay. RT the bisector of right. RT is the bisector of angle PRS. RT is the bisector of angle PRS. Bracket, right? Given. In bracket, you write given. Then let PRT equal, let angle PRT equal to angle TRS equal to Y. Equal to Y. Okay. This part okay or not? Hello? This part clear or not? What I said? RT is the bisector of, once again, RT. Look at the figure. Don't by heart it. RT is the bisector of angle PRS. Okay. RT, listen. RT is the bisector of angle PRS. Bracket given. Then let PRT, angle PRT equal to angle TRS equal to Y. Clear now? Okay or not? Hello? Okay, then next line. QT the bisector of, QT is the bisector of, QT is the bisector of, QT is the bisector of angle PQR. QT is the bisector of angle PQR. QT is the bisector of angle PQR. Bracket, right? Given. Therefore, sorry, let angle PQT equal to angle TQR equal to X. PQT equal to angle TQR equal to X. Okay, this is the second step. Yes, proof only writing, man. Then what? Okay. Up to here, okay or not? Hello. Up to here, okay or not? Make sure this. Okay. Now listen here. Actually, sir, given only given part again rearrangement only. Okay. Now look at here. listen, in triangle PQR, PRS is the exterior angle, correct? Don't write. In triangle PQR, PRS is the exterior angle. Therefore, angle PRS equal to angle P plus angle PQR. Okay, right. In triangle, next line. In triangle PQR. In triangle, look at the triangle PQR. Angle PRS equal to angle PRS equal to angle P. Enough, one letter enough. Angle P plus angle PQR. Angle PRS equal to angle P plus angle PQR. Bracket right, exterior angle theorem. Exterior angle theorem. Bracket should write. Okay, how many brackets now? So far, how many brackets you wrote? 3. 3 missing, 1.5 mark is gone. 3 brackets you missing, 1.5 already gone out of 4. Okay. Then 2y, next line, 2y equal to angle P plus 2x. Call it number 1. 2y equal to P plus 2x. From the figure, 2y equal to P plus 2x. Number 1. Okay. Next line. Next line. In triangle QTR. In triangle QTR. Look at the triangle QTR. Okay. Angle TRS. Angle TRS equal to angle TRS equal to angle TRS. Look at the triangle. Look at the 2 lines. See here, two curve here and here. You mark like that. TRS equal to angle T plus angle PQR. Angle TRS equal to angle T plus angle TQR. Again, right? Exterior angle theorem. Exterior angle theorem. Okay. So, right, y equal to angle T plus x. Y equal to angle T plus x. Okay. Then multiply by 2. Multiplying both sides by 2. 2y equal to 2t plus 2x. Call it number 2. Call it number 2. Okay. Now look at here. 1 is 2y, 2 also 2y. Right. From 1 and 2. Next slide. From 1 and 2 we get from 1 and 2. Look at here. P plus 2x. This part. P plus 2x equal to 2t plus 2x. 2x both sides cancel. We got P equal to 2t. Angle P equal to 2t. So T equal to half of angle P by 2. T equal to half of angle P by 2. Right first. Is it okay now? Check again the proof. What is fifth step? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got already y equal to 2t plus x. Just multiply by 2. Just multiplied by 2 because here 2y here only 1y, and also we want 2t. Our question is what? 2t. Correct or no? That's why just multiply by 2y, 2t, 2x. Multiply everywhere. Multiply by same number. No problem. So now after the 2y here, 2y here. Equating P plus 2x equal to 2t plus 2x. 2x both sides cancel. P equal to 2 times of t. T equal to P by 2. Okay. So check the note again. Hello, everyone. Read the question. Check it. Make sure this is a very important question, sure question. Okay. Maybe I will also ask this question for test. So make sure now. Okay. I'll give 5 minutes. Go through this question. Make sure if you have doubt, I'll explain here. Okay. Okay. Everyone read the question, make sure. Then I'll start next question. Okay, it's very important question. Are you ready now? Okay, so I think one of the easiest method, this one. Okay. So now we have many questions, outside questions. Now we are going to do extra questions. Okay. DPS have holidays. June 30. Okay. PTM how through Zoom or through how you go? You want to go to school or? Yeah, that's okay, no problem. PTM is not related to you, know. PTM is not, there is no connection to you. Parents teacher meeting only, right? Not you. Okay. So now next question, listen out, okay? Okay. So everything now online only, okay? I told you, no, I think I told you the main exams through online, okay, those who are writing the exams, you have to download one app compulsory, whether in phone or laptop or tab. First, you have to download one app. Okay, you heard or not? Hello? Okay. Then, no. This is some exams. Okay, how they conduct the online. Okay, first you have to download the app. Okay, then this app during the exam time block all the search. That means you cannot search in Google and all the answer. Plus, app open the camera. Okay, monitor you whether you're copying or not, whether you're taking books and all, everything they'll copy and send to the examiner. Okay. Then, no, that was other device all cannot, because they can monitor it with this app. Only this app only you have to use it. Okay. Then after writing the test, you have to upload inside. Okay. Then you have to wait. Suppose you finish at 3 o'clock. Okay. 3 o'clock you have to finish till 3:30. You have to sit same seat. Then they will call you based on what you wrote, Viva. So you have to answer that one. Okay. You understood? Clear or not? Okay. No. This one started in Kerala. One university, Cochin University, started the exam like this. Okay. Okay. Now write the question. Next question in figure. Next question in figure. Okay. This one all you have to think and find out. Okay. Finding the values in figure. AD and CE are bisectors. In figure, okay, AD and CE in figure. Look, in figure AD A B C. In figure AD and CE. AD and CE. In figure AD and CE are the bisectors of angle A and C. Okay. If angle ABC 90, angle ABC 90, this is 90. Find 1, angle ADC 2, sorry, angle ADC plus angle AEC. One question only. ADC, this angle, plus AEC, this angle. Okay, try now. Okay, you can try. Question is question already here. Look at here. In triangle ABC, AD, CE are the bisectors. AD and CE are the bisectors. Only one question. Okay. AD and CE are the bisectors. Then this angle 90. Then you have to find out this plus this one, you have to find out. Okay. Think about it. Question already I said no. It's in the figure. Okay, you have to find out angle ADC plus angle AEC. Everyone try first. Okay, not just leave it. Okay. Not call button. Okay, try now. Okay, anybody is getting or not? Not 180. No, 180. Not 90. One 135. No, not 135 also. You got two answers. Amina, wonderful job. 225, 135, 220. Which is the correct one? Try, man. Why don't leave it like Amina got already? Okay, Amina got. Correct, Amina. Okay. Wonderful job, Amina. Okay. No. Okay, I'll show now. Look at here now. Look at here. Hello. Look. Here in figure. Don't write now. Listen all. Okay. A, B, C. This angle 90. AD. Okay. And CE are the bisectors. Okay. We have to get angle ADC plus angle AEC. This plus this one we have to find out. Okay. Look at here. I assume this is X, this is X. The bisector, Y here, Y here. Now look at here. 2X plus 2Y plus 90 equal to 180. Correct or no? This plus this one is 180. So that means 2X plus 2Y equal to 90. X plus Y equal to 45. Call it number 1. Up to here, okay? X plus Y equal to 45 degrees. Is it okay or not? Check up to here. Okay. No, not I don't. Okay, no need not here. Already marked now. AD the bisector. Therefore, X here, X here. You marking already there. Okay. Then okay. Now look at here. After that, look. So now look at here. Now very simple. Look at here. We want this angle. Look. ADC. This angle means this plus this one. Correct or no? Angle ADC equal to X plus 90. Number 2. Look, ADC, the exterior angle of ABD. This angle equal to this plus this one, X plus 90. Now, this angle CEA, this angle CEA or AEC, connect AEC, okay. AEC. This angle means Which exterior angle? Y plus 90. Y plus 90. Number 3. Add both. What will you get? X plus Y plus 180. That means 45 plus 180. Answer is what? 225. 225. 225. Okay. Check now again. If you want, I'll explain again. Okay. Look. First of all, you mark like this. So X here, X, Y, Y here. 2x plus 2y plus 90 equal to 180. So 2x plus 2y equal to 90, x plus y equal to 45 degree. That part clear now? X plus y 45 degree, clear or not? After that, you heard about exterior angle theorem. In triangle ABD, ADC is the exterior angle. In triangle ABD, ADC is the exterior angle. So ADC equal to B plus X. ADC equal to X plus 90. X plus 90 ADC. AEC means Y plus 90 because this is exterior angle. Okay. Adding ADC plus AEC equal to X plus Y 180. Already we got X plus Y 45 degree and apply that. Okay. Check now. Okay. Step 2 and 3. Step 1, 2, 3. 3 means what? 2x plus y equal to 90, x plus y equal to 45. Okay. After that, we want ADC. Look at here. We want ADC. ADC is the exterior angle. So B plus X. AEC is the another exterior angle. B plus Y. So adding, we got the answer. Okay. Okay. So next question. Okay. Similar one question now. Look at here. In triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC. Now we are going to all extra questions. You have to check our notebook. Okay. In triangle ABC, AD and CE, in triangle ABC, ABC, AD and CE, AD and CE are the bisectors of angle A and angle C. Angle ABC 90. Find angle AOC. This angle. Find angle AOC. Find angle AOC. Find angle AOC. Find angle AOC. Can you try now? Same type. Okay. Question already there. AD. Listen. AD, question listen, AD and CE are the bisectors of angle A and angle C. AD and CE are the bisectors of angle A and angle C. Angle B 90 degree. Find angle AOC. Find angle AOC. That's the question. Okay, try now. Okay, try now. Okay, you finished or not? Look at here. Um, okay, like previous question, x, y, y. Okay, you got 2x plus 2y plus 90 equal to 180. So 2x plus 2y equal to 90. X plus y equal to 45, number one. Okay. Now, in triangle AOC, x plus y plus AOC equal to 180. So AOC equal to 180 minus 45. How much that? 135. Okay. So finish now. Okay. So next, finish or not? Okay. So next question. Listen here. Okay. A, D, B, C here. Okay. This is A, small a. This is B. This is x by 2. This one 5 times x by 2 minus 1. 5 times x by 2 minus 1. Here x plus 9. Okay. This we can call O. Find A plus B. In figure, right, in figure, in figure, find A plus B into the figure. Okay, what happened? Okay, now Namida, okay? Okay, look at here. X by 2, 5 times x by 2 minus 1, like this. 5 times x by 2 minus 1. Okay. Then x plus 9. This is A and B. So we have to find out A plus B. Okay, try now. You can try. Okay. Okay. Measure of angle COD. COD. X plus 9. X plus 9. X plus 9. X by 2. 5 times x by 2 minus 1. Then x plus 9. We need not A alone, not B alone. Find A plus B. Okay, try now. Getting or not? Anyone getting or not? Hello? No, don't get A, B separately. A plus B. A plus B. Amina, no, not 127. Nearby that. Yes. Look at here now. Hello. Look. Look at here. This is a straight line. Look. AOD is a straight line. X by 2 plus 5 times x by 2 minus 1 plus x plus 9 equal to 180. Straight line. Okay. So that is x by 2 plus 5x by 2 minus 5 plus x plus 9 equal to 180. Correct or no? X by 2 plus 5x by 2, 6x by 2 plus x minus 5 plus 9 plus 4 equal to 180. So 3x plus x, 3x plus x equal to 176. Okay. 4x equal to 176. X how much? 43. X how much? Oh, sorry. So 170. 170. Something wrong? Wait. 9 minus 5. Correct or no? Right? X plus 9. X plus 9 plus 5x by 2 minus 5x by 2. Okay, check how much you got this one. X you will get 43. Okay, check again. X by 2 plus 5 into x by 2 minus 1 plus x plus 9 equal to 180. Okay, x by 2, 5x by 2 minus 5x plus 9 equal to 180. So x by 2 plus 5x by 2, 6x by 2 plus x. Here plus 4 equal to 180. Okay, try now. So what is x he got? X what he got? X is 44. Yes, x equal to 44. Okay, x equal to 44 means, listen, x equal to 44 means 44 plus 9, how much? 44 plus 9 is 53. This is 53, here 53. So a plus b, how much? 180 minus 53. 180 minus 53. Okay, so how much? 127. Clear now? Once, listen, once again, you just add on x by 2 plus 5 into x by 2 minus 1 plus x plus 9 equal to 180. So we get from here x. Okay, you got from here x. Okay. Then after getting x, you get this answer. So this you got this one vertically opposite angles. Then a plus b equal to we can find out. Okay. So this is enough today. So you prepare it. Next class also extra questions only, all extra questions. So make sure the note. Okay.